Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pairing, don't delay. Turn the remote on and enable Bluetooth on your Mac or iPad. Keynote must be running. Open the presentation and enter play or presenter display so Keynote can detect remotes. In Keynote's Remotes pane, select the device when it appears and confirm the pairing code if prompted. Once paired, practice a single advance and a single back to verify connection. Make sure battery level is sufficient before moving on. Now you control the flow. Use the remote's forward button to advance slides and the back button to return. The first tap advances static slides and repeated taps step through builds. For animated builds, press and hold if Keynote supports press and hold for progressive reveal, or use the slide advance to trigger each build. If your remote has a pointer or laser feature, toggle it to highlight content during remarks. Once you feel the timing, rehearse transitions at presentation pace to sync narration and animation. Complete your presentation confidently by using the remote stop or escape command to exit play mode. Keynote will return to edit view. If the remote loses connection mid-run, reconnect via Keynote's Remotes menu or repair in Bluetooth settings quickly. Should problems continue, replace batteries or restart the remote and your device. Interference from other Bluetooth devices can also matter, so move them away. If slides still won't advance, open Keynote Preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.